This question says a curve has an equation y is equal to 3 plus 9x squared minus 9x cubed. Find the coordinates of the two turning points of the curve and determine their nature. So this is a differentiation question. The first thing you need to do is find where the turning points are. So what you've got to do is differentiate your y. So if you differentiate it, you will get 18x minus 27x squared. And then at a turning point, your dy by dx is equal to 0. So say put dy by dx equal to 0, which means 0 is equal to 18x minus 27x squared. And then what we could do here is factorize. So you could pull out a 9x, which would leave you 2 minus 3 x just. And then that means you're in this lovely situation in mathematics where you have a times b equals 0. So a equals 0 or b equals 0. So here 9x equals 0, which means x equals 0. Or 2 minus 3x equals 0, which means 2 is equal to 3x. Wee bit of working out, x is equal to 2/3. So find the coordinates. We will put these back into the equation at the end. But we'll do our test first to find out. So our test function is our d2y by dx squared. So if you differentiate your dy by dx again, you'll get 18 minus 54x. And then just say when x equals 0, d2y by dx squared. You don't really care what it is, but it's going to be 18 minus 54 times 0. That is going to be greater than 0. Now, it's one of these weird things in mathematics. If your d2y by dx squared is greater than 0, therefore it's a minimum turning point. The other one then was x was 2/3. So just say when x equals 2/3, d2y by dx squared is equal to 18 minus 54 times 2/3. This is disgraceful, but I have to do this, work this out. So we've got 18 minus 54 times 2/3, which is, that works out to be minus 18, which is less than 0. Therefore, it's a maximum turning point. Okay, read the question. It asks you for the coordinates. So you've got to find the coordinates. So let me just write that down. Y equals 3, if you haven't already, 3 plus 9x squared minus 9x cubed. So we'll just say when x equals 0, y equals, well, that's going to be a nice easy one, 3. So that means 0, 3, it was a minimum turning point. And the other one then was when x equals 2/3, your y is going to be equal to 3 plus 9 times 2/3 squared minus 9 times 2/3 cubed. So let's work that out and see what you get. So 2/3 okay, and I got 13/3, which is 4 1/3. Just check that. I've rushed through that there, so just check that's right. So then that means 2/3 and 4 1/3 is a maximum turning point. And there we go.